Hey, it's Michael Saul with more management of the stock market trading watch list for the week of July 11th, 2011. Let's just take a look at some charts here. Apple with the doji and had the nice wide wicks here. So this is like a doji slash spinning top. Didn't test support yet. So I don't know. To me, this isn't a trigger bar, but see if it can get a little weakness into these moving averages and form something like this, or maybe a hammer. Maybe that'll be a better opportunity. Google up 1.25% here, and you can see it gave back some of its earlier gains that it had. Still watching these moving averages as potential support. Baidu, okay, pulling back now to the 20 EMA after it broke the 78.6. I'm watching this 20 EMA for potential support down here. Cena, we talked about yesterday, got cracked on Monday, and on Tuesday just formed this little inside bar, or almost an inside bar, right? Let's see. 103.19, yeah, inside bar. Sitting right on top of these moving averages, so watch them for potential support. Goldman, okay, still acting weak. Broke down out of, this is the old pattern we had, so this was the new pattern. It broke out of that on Monday, and then Tuesday see some follow through. So watch for potential test of lows there. Research in motion, we've talked about how weak this is. It didn't have a bad day, actually. You can see here, gained 40 cents, but still this really looks ugly. And if the market does see a draft of weakness, I'd be watching this one for at least a retest of the lows, if not the whole number 25, which is 82 cents below those lows. Caterpillar. Okay, watching this 20 EMA for potential support. Amazon, all right, 2 days of red candles here, right at the 10-day moving average. Does that hold, or is it going to dip down a little bit lower here to these previous highs at 206.19, and then you got the 20 EMA at 204.32 below that. What else? Take a look at Illinois Tool Works. This is one somebody sent in, wanted me to take a gander at. You can see this has been in a pretty nice looking uptrend here with a couple of nice pauses, and then you see this pullback here. So what's it going to do here? Is it just resting? It's going to ramp up and maybe try for 75. Or is this topped out yet? You can see the volume coming in a little bit here on the two downside days. Watch the moving averages here. You got the 10-day, you got the 20 and the 50, all right around the same area. Obviously, the 20 and the 50 are right on top of each other. So you want to watch this zone for potential support here, but obviously a big non-tech name. Let's see what else I got on the list. Oh, gold and silver. Somebody wants me to keep talking about gold and silver. Okay, so gold took out the 78.6% retracement on Monday, then took out these highs from a few weeks ago on Tuesday. So now at a minimum looking at a full retest, and more than likely 127% retest, 127% external retracement, sorry, at 156.57. So come watch that. Let's look at silver. Do we need to keep it at center last price or not? No, probably not. Okay. So right here, silver definitely underperforming gold. Gold's already up at the highs here, and silver's just kind of lagging, up almost 1% on the session, but got to break out of this coil here. If it does, if it can break out of this coil, then we can see if this one will get back up and test this resistance up at 37.72 up here, and then above that, there's some Fibonacci levels to watch on the way up. But first things first, and if it fails here, watch the 200-day moving average for a retest. Okay, Let's see. We did that. We did Google. Hold on one second. Okay, somebody wanted me to look at the euro, so I'm not doing a Forex video anymore. So, see here, we tested the 127% external retracement. We dipped through it on Monday, dipped through that lower Keltner. So now down here, this support 38.10, 138.10, didn't get tested, but if this turns into some weakness that we're seeing here, this is already Wednesday's candle starting to form. If this turns into some weakness, that's the support I'd be watching for a potential long side opportunity. But this was a hammer here, so if this does get confirmed, we may get a retracement here with the euro. All right. So have a great trading day. This is the Euro Trust, the ETF for the euro, basically. So anyway, have a great trading day on Wednesday, and I'll talk to everybody again on Thursday. Feel free to contact me. My contact info is at the beginning of the video. Throw me some ideas of what you want to see, and I'll be happy to look at them every day. Take care.